Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really practical tip that can save you a ton of time in Google Sheets. Have you ever had a big spreadsheet but only needed to print out one number, a few key notes, or just a tiny section without wasting paper and ink on the whole thing? Well, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to print just the specific cells you want in Google Sheets, so you can get the info you need nice and tidy every single time. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document and take a moment to find the exact cell or group of cells you want to print. This could be a single budget item, a phone number, a formula result, whatever matters to you. Now simply click to select the cell. If you want to arrange, click and drag so that your whole selection is highlighted. Think of this like drawing a spotlight around the star of your show. You're telling Google Sheets, hey, just these cells, please. Now with your cells selected, head up to the top left and click on File. I know some folks might immediately look for a print button elsewhere, but File is our entryway for anything saving or printing related in Google Sheets. Once you open that menu, scroll on down and select Print. This opens up the print settings and you'll notice the whole document might appear in the preview at first. Don't worry, this is normal. Now we're going to tell Sheets to focus just on the part we want. In the Print Setup screen, check out the panel on the right-hand side. You'll see an option, usually in a drop-down menu, that says something like Print or Print Area. Click on this and you should see options like Current Sheet, Workbook, and this is the important one, Selected Cells. Go ahead and pick that Selected Cells option. What you're doing here is narrowing down what Google Sheets actually sends to the printer. Think of it as telling it, no chit-chat, get straight to the point. After you've chosen Selected Cells, glance back at your print preview. You should now see just the cells you had highlighted earlier. If nothing seems to change, double-check that you made your selection before getting into the print menu. Sometimes it's easy to miss a step, but don't worry if it happens. Just pop back, reselect what you need, and try again. Now, once your print preview looks correct, it should show only those specific cells you really care about. It's time for the final step. Click Next or whatever button confirms those print options. This might take a moment, especially if your sheet has a lot of formatting, but once it loads, go ahead and hit Print to send those selected cells to your printer. And that's it, no more wasting pages on stuff you don't need, and no need to copy and paste cells into a new tab just for printing. With just a few clicks, you can print exactly what matters, keeping your printouts neat and efficient. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips about printing from Google Sheets. And of course, subscribe if you want more straightforward tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.